comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus.
Hi, welcome to pretty much a makeup tutorial. This is my first one. I'm kind of nervous because I never used a face prosthetic before. I have my adhesive, I have my prosthetic that I got from Etsy. I'll put it in the description box. But the first thing I'm going to do is put the prosthetic on. Look at that detail. Of course, it's like nice and dust off, spray for me to put on. I'm gonna try to make sure when I take it off later on that I preserve this because I might want to use it for something else, you know? So I clean my face. It's probably red or something like that, or irritated, you know, from all the, you know, face touching because I have sensitive skin. But I'm just gonna put it like this, probably like right above my lip, like right above that. Brand actually, is the brand even on here? Prepare clean, dry surface is, you know, dry and clean. Brush to both sides of the surface. So I gotta brush some on my skin and I have to brush some on the prosthetic. Then I had to press firmly for 10 seconds, you know, where I glued the spots at. And then for a stronger bond, I'll probably have to lay it on, let it dry a little bit, and lay it on again, like how you're laying down a wig, if you lay down a wig. So right now I have it out. This is how big it is. How many ounces is it? 2 fluid ounces. I'm not going to be using too much of it, so I should be able to like use it for multiple uses because I plan on doing a lot of stuff next year. But we're going to apply some of it on my face. So let me go ahead and gauge where it's going to be laying at again. So pretty much right here, all right here. I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need to unsqueeze it some more. Oh, that just pulled the top off. That's it. I'm not gonna go any further. Oh snap, hold on. Is there a safety guard on here?
Stupid.
Okay, let's do this correctly. Tip right now. I'm just gonna put some right here. Did I put spread? ego. Just get in there, just get in there. I'll put a little bit more ego. Let's see which one will be best. Let me do it with the Hex Remedy and see what that looks like. And if it looks bad, don't judge me. Go back in with the Dream Catcher again. I need to get a little bit of my pink back. Whew. Now let's go on with the Fire Starter. I think I went on that outer corner. Oh gosh, I put too much. Now for the lids, I think I want to go with. Oh my gosh. All right, so now we're gonna go on with this darker shade right here. It's called Toxic. Outer corner. This one right here, Fortune Teller, for my lid part. Let's see. I could put a little bit of white right here by my eyebrow to like lighten it up. So let's see what I can do with this white right here. But I'm going in with the L'Oreal liner right here. Oh gosh, do you see it? You probably can't see it. I'll put in the description box. And then I have my other L'Oreal. What is this? The Brow Stylist Definer, this one. If you see it, I hope you see it. But I use these two, but I like to line the bottom of my lashes with the darker one. It's black. And then I like to do the strokes with the brown one because it has like a little brush on the end. So let's see what I can do. Try to not make it uneven. I clean up my concealer and stuff like that. At this point, I take my tape off because we're gonna start doing the. Ooh, child, look at this damage. LA Girl Pro Concealer. I have to squeeze it out and put it on my fingers since my fingers are clean, and it comes with like a little brush thing. And when concealers come with brushes, I don't like to put it on my actual skin, but I like to put it on like clean hands and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and do that. And I just dab it on my face. Okay, so I'm nice and highlighted. Ooh, we're making progress. Depending on how I feel, depending on how strong I want my contour, I either do the contour now and I put the foundation on top, or I put the foundation on now and I contour a little bit on top. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. Typically I would use my Lancome, but I noticed that with the prosthetics, I did like a test run on the other one. It took better to like the drugstore, the convenience store one, whatever, the Maybelline matte one. So I just tried this one, even though this is like my holy grail. I like this one, and Tate, and then like Urban Decay too. But this is like one of my holy grails. But yeah, pour some on here. For my cheeks over here. I'm going to do my bottom lash, well, my lash line. I like to use eyeliner too much because it's hard to get off and I have like raccoon eyes. I want to do my bottom lash like my lid, and on my lid is the fortune teller one. This one right here is the fortune teller one. It's on my lid, so I'll do the same thing on my bottom lashes. My contour, so I think I want to do maybe we should just leave it like, maybe we should leave it like this. Maybe we should just leave it like this. Not mess it up. Because I have this, and look, it's super duper dark, and it's really pigmented. So when I do use this, I use like a microscopic, like this little, like this stuff is really strong, this much, and I try to put it along my jawline.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
Setting powder. I don't have to get a brand new sponge. I have like a bunch of these sponges laying around, but I like to set my powder, and then ooh, okay, well, this is the brand I use. That's all over the floor, like what the hey. But this is the brand I use, and I like to put it on my jawline right here. Not sure how it's going to do with my prosthetic right now, and of course my other highlighted area. Um, what is this? Allure London, and which size I got? I can't remember what style I got because I got it like a long time ago. Like it has like glue in it already, but typically if I'm like about to go out and about, I like line my lashes up with some eyeliner, which I freaking hate eyeliner, but whatever. But a master band. But I'm doing a photo shoot in my home. If I want some eyeliner, I'll just Photoshop some eyeliner. Like, it's not even that big of a deal. Like, I'm not a professional, and this is my makeup tutorial, okay? Couple like seconds, actually a good amount of seconds, because you want it like a little bit tacky when you, oh gosh, when you put it on your eyes. You don't want it wet like this, so you gotta wait a little bit. And I don't know how to use the, what's it called, that eyelash installer, whatever thingy. I use my fingers. I don't know how to use it, and we're just gonna do it this way. I like go to the mirror and tilt my head up and just lay it on my lash line, if that makes sense. And these are my lashes put on now, and that's just how I do it. And the last thing I gotta do is wipe off the what is this powder, like Do I like this one? Maybe we could stick with this. Maybe we could. It's a liquid eyeliner, so I'm see I could put like a little mole right here. See what the red looks like. This is from L'Oreal, Color Rich, and it's the color Spice. Let's stick with this. So this is gonna be the finished look. I have to install my wig to see how everything comes together. So let's see how that goes. I forgot before I install my wig, I need to set my freaking face. Not sure how the prosthetic gonna do. It's kind of weird setting my face with prosthetic on, but let's go and do this. It is the Mmkay All Nighter. This is one of my holy grails. So this is my finished look and I freaking like it. Like I said, it's for my little shoot at home. It's my cosplay. I hope you liked it and learned something. I really like this look. You can take what I did and modify it to like your liking. I'm all for doing your own thing. Other than that, stay tuned for my hair tutorial and thanks so much for watching. Bye y'all.